How much does YouTube pay for 2K views? Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on all things YouTube. In today's video, we will be discussing a topic that many creators are curious about: how much does YouTube pay for 2,000 views? So, if you're interested in learning more about YouTube's payment system, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's dive right in. Before we discuss the payment details, it's essential to understand how YouTube monetization works. YouTube allows creators to earn money through its partner program, commonly known as YouTube's AdSense. Once a creator joins this program and meets certain eligibility criteria, they can start monetizing their videos. YouTube Partner Program logo. One of the primary factors influencing your earnings on YouTube is the number of ads displayed on your videos. Advertisers pay YouTube to display their ads, and YouTube shares a portion of that revenue with the creators. Diagram showing the revenue flow. Now, let's get to the main question: how much does YouTube pay for 2,000 views? Well, the truth is that YouTube's payment structure is quite complex. There isn't a fixed rate per view or a standard payment for a specific number of views. Instead, YouTube calculates payments based on several factors. The main factors that determine your earnings include the type of ads displayed, the geographic location of your audience, the viewer's engagement with the ads, the niche of your content, and the advertiser demand. YouTube's algorithm analyzes these factors to determine the overall revenue generated by your videos. In general, the average payment per 1,000 views (CPM) ranges from 25 cents to $4, depending on the factors we just mentioned. So, if we do the math for 2,000 views, you could earn anywhere from 50 cents to $8. However, it's crucial to note that these numbers are just estimates, and your actual earnings may vary. CPM range and dollar signs. Additionally, it's important to mention that YouTube takes a 45% cut of the ad revenue, while the remaining 55% is shared with the creator. So, keep in mind that the numbers we discussed are the gross earnings, and you'll receive approximately 55% of that amount. Illustration showing revenue split. It's also worth noting that YouTube pays creators on a monthly basis, once they reach a minimum threshold of $100 in earnings. If you don't meet this threshold in a given month, your earnings will roll over to the next month until you reach the minimum payout amount. Finally, it's essential to focus on building a loyal and engaged audience. The more viewers engage with your content and ads, the higher your chances of earning more revenue. So, creating quality content that resonates with your audience is key to increasing your overall earnings on YouTube. That's all for today's video on how much YouTube pays for 2,000 views. Remember, the payment structure on YouTube is intricate and can vary greatly. Keep producing great content, engage with your audience, and your earnings will naturally increase over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content about YouTube. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions.